Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor. I'm back at y'all again. The subject matter today is dreams. I'm getting a lot of calls. A lot of people hit me up about dreams, asking me, why is it that when I'm asleep and I wake up out of a dream, I want to go back to sleep? Well, you have to understand that when you leave your body, your soul is energy. Therefore, when you come back into your body from dreaming or sleeping, wherever you come from, you are leaving fragments of yourself outside of your body. So therefore, you feel like you're missing a piece or parts of yourself when coming back into your body. So therefore, even when you're traveling before coming back into the body, you may pick up on somebody else's energy, and when you wake up, you may feel like you're not yourself or you somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Even in your sleep, like most of us sleep and dream that we in one place, and then we go into another room and we somewhere else. This is what you call being everything outside of yourself. You everywhere. Like I told you, you are everything outside of yourself. You get what I'm saying? So upon sleeping, when you leave your body, you become a form of energy that travels at a rate or a speed that either goes somewhere where the magnetism is pulling you, either toward the moon at a 90-degree angle. Because when you're traveling toward the moon at a 90-degree angle, 9 times out of 10, you are not going to remember what you dreamed about when you wake up. Because the moon and the sun is where dreams are downloaded. These are where your thoughts travel. When you daydreaming and all of that, it's pulled up toward those celestial bodies, which is a part of you. So therefore, when you leave your body, what you're doing is you're being pulled towards yourself. You're being gravitationalized towards yourself. You're being pulled towards yourself. So a lot of people will say, you know what? When I come back into my body, I want to go back to sleep. Or you might have a dream where you're having sex or something, and it's so good, and then somebody wake you up, and you say, man, why you wake me up? This is because you were actually picking up on somebody else's energy who probably was daydreaming about having sex, and you fell into that energy while traveling outside of your body. You know what I mean? Somebody who might have been 1,000 miles away, who picked up on, you know what I mean, who was thinking about sex and stuff like that, and you picked up on it. And it's not really you having sex in that sleep. It's you actually coming in tune with somebody else's frequencies. This is why when you're around people, you have to watch the frequencies, because with the frequencies and the energy you pick up on people, you can actually take that out of your body when you leave. And now you have negative dreams. And when you dream, you have to understand that the melanin is being, the melatonin is being produced. Your REM is what actually, it actually initiates your dream. It tells you which way to go when you leave your body, which direction, whether it's going to be negative or positive. So, when you are actually getting in tune with people, you are getting in tune with those who are connected to other planets. That's why I tell you, that's why everybody have a different sun sign. Because they have a different characteristic and energy where they come from, where their dreams are actually balanced on a scale before they are actually initiated to pick up or contracted to pick up. Just like you are contracted to come to Earth to pick up on information to download somewhere else where you exist right now. You exist somewhere else right now, but it seems like you only exist here because you are stuck inside of an individual body. You get what I'm saying? But in actuality, you are everywhere. You are every thought that everybody think. Only person that exists is you. You are the only person that exists. Everything else around you is an illusion. You get what I'm saying? So, when you're talking about dreams, you're not talking about something that's, well, I went to sleep and I had a dream. What does this mean? No, it's something that you're picking up on because you are part of everybody. You are a part of everything around you. So you're picking up on thoughts. You're picking up on emotions. And those emotions, if you pick up on those emotions upon leaving your body, you become a part of those emotions. So you might go to sleep happy and you might wake up stressed. Why? Because you picked up on somebody who was stressed, who may have been traveling in the same direction that you were traveling in, or if you was pulled or gravitationalized toward the moon at the time that you left your body to go toward those dreams, instead of going toward the dreams that's downloaded in the sun, you're going to actually pick up on somebody else's, because you have billions and billions upon emotions and thoughts and energies that's land in these celestial bodies, such as the moon and the sun. These are two very important bodies that we are dealing with. This is not something that sits in the sky and keeps everything in cosmic rhythm. Every thought is manifested there first before it comes to you. So you can't even think without the sun and the moon being in existence. These are your mothers and fathers. You understand what I'm saying? The sun is your mother and the moon is your father. And when we talking about mother and father, we're not talking about sex, like female or male. When you're talking about a female, you're talking about an act. You're not talking about a person or a woman. You're talking about an act. So when dark matter produce other dark matter, and you see that fragments of the sun creates other stars, whether they're immovable stars or movable stars, this is an act of a female. This is what you call a female. A female is not a woman. It's not a person that the white man told you it was, somebody with a long hair, this is and that. No. The female, when you're talking about female or sex, you're talking about an act. One who could want a thing, a person, place, or thing that exists. The sun produces. You get what I'm saying? Is you talking about something that reproduces. The sun produces what? Fragment of stars that grows up to be other binary suns. You get what I'm saying? So when you coming out of your dream, you may leave fragments of yourself outside of your body that's going to travel somewhere else that somebody going to pick up on. So now you are coming back into your body less than you were before you left your body. That's not a bad thing. It's a good thing because maybe you had to shed that off of you. It's just like a snake shedding its skin. It's not a bad thing. It gives it a new coat. It helps it to glow. It helps it to renew itself. So when you're coming back into your body, you trying to get back into your dream, that's you renewing yourself. That's all that is. Okay, so with that much said, this is Osei Kufuor, Black Science TV 111. I'm out. Peace, family.